first live thing. Every t-shirt begins with cotton fiber, the natural cellulose material that provides the breathability, softness, and moisture.
Cotton is uniquely suited for t-shirts because its hollow fiber structure absorbs moisture from the skin and releases it to the air, keeping the wearer comfortable.
Circular knitting produces seamless tubular fabric that becomes the body of the t-shirt, the interlocked loop structure providing the characteristic stretch and drape of jersey.
The raw knitted fabric emerges as unfinished graze goods that must undergo dyeing, finishing, and quality inspection before cutting. Jet dyeing circulates the fabric through a pressurized dye liquor at high temperature, ensuring deep, uniform color penetration throughout every fiber. Color accuracy is critical because consumers expect exact shade consistency between garments purchased months apart. Finishing treatments transform raw dyed fabric into the soft, dimensionally stable material consumers expect.
The user wants a Trekken video for an 8-second video based on the provided descriptions and prompt.
The cutting floor transforms flat fabric rolls into the precisely shaped pattern pieces that will be assembled into finished garments. Computer-optimized nesting minimizes fabric waste, a critical cost and sustainability factor when cutting millions of garments. Each t-shirt is broken into 6 to 8 individual cut pieces that must be tracked through the sewing assembly. Collar trim is knitted on a separate machine in a tighter rib structure that provides the stretch and recovery needed to maintain shape after repeated wearing and washing.
Size grading mathematically scales the pattern across all sizes while maintaining consistent proportional fit.
Organic cotton fabric requires separate handling to maintain its certified organic status.
Multiple fabric qualities serve different price points and consumer preferences.
The sewing floor operates as a precisely choreographed assembly line where the simplicity of the t-shirt is achieved through
Sleeve setting requires precise alignment to ensure the sleeve hangs correctly and the shoulder point sits at the natural shoulder line.
Collar attachment is the most critical single operation because collar quality is the first thing consumers evaluate when handling a t-shirt.
Simultaneous side seam closing ensures perfect symmetry between left and right sides of the garment.
Label placement communicates brand identity and legally required care information.
The cover stitch provides the stretch needed for a knit garment, while creating a clean, flat finish on the face.
Post-sewing inspection catches any construction defects before the garment enters the printing or packaging process.
Raglan construction provides enhanced shoulder mobility for athletic and casual variants.
Completed garments are sorted by the next process destination. graphics printing or direct-to-packaging for solid colors.
Screen printing transforms blank garments into branded fashion statements, promotional tools, and wearable art.
Plastisol ink remains wet until heat-cured, allowing precise multicolor registration without time pressure between color applications.
Each squeegee stroke deposits a precise thickness of ink through the stencil, the operator maintaining consistent pressure and speed for uniform coverage.
Multicolor screen printing can achieve near photographic quality through halftone separation and precise color registration.
Full curing at the correct temperature for the correct duration ensures the print is permanently bonded and will not crack or peel during washing.
DTG printing enables on-demand production of complex photographic images without the setup cost of traditional screen making.
Multi-head embroidery machines apply thread-based branding that provides a premium textured tactile finish, superior to flat printing.
The packaging department transforms individual garments into retail-ready products. Order fulfillment accuracy ensures retailers receive exactly the assortment they ordered.
RFID enables precise retail inventory management.
E-commerce requires individual garment picking and postal packaging.
Massive inventory buffers supply seasonal retail demand.
Complete supply chain traceability, from cotton to consumer. International distribution serves global fashion retail. Millions of t-shirts departing daily for global wardrobes.
The Quality Lab verifies every aspect of the finished garment, from color accuracy to dimensional stability. Color measurement ensures undetectable shade variation between production lots.
Wash testing predicts how the garment will look and fit after years of consumer laundering.
Print durability testing ensures graphics survive the lifetime of the garment.
Post-wash dimensional verification confirms the garment maintains its fit and size labeling accuracy.
Pilling resistance determines how the t-shirt surface will look after repeated wearing and washing. Light fastness testing ensures colors remain vibrant despite sun exposure during outdoor wear.
Burst strength verifies the fabric can withstand the stresses of normal wear and washing. The complete portfolio serves every consumer need, from basic essentials to premium fashion. From the control room, managers monitor every sewing station, printing carousel, and packaging line simultaneously. Squeegee pressure and angle determine ink deposit thickness, which directly affects print opacity and hand feel.
Complete production overview.
Carousel maintenance ensures consistent registration accuracy across all color stations.
Daily coordination ensures sewing, printing, and packaging operate in synchronized balance.
Multicolor registration accuracy within a fraction of a millimeter. Design creates the visual content that transforms a blank garment into a branded fashion statement.
New fabric development balances sustainability, comfort, and cost.
The sample room produces pre-production prototypes for design and quality approval before mass production.
The magenta saturation is slightly off the swatch.
We can adjust the viscosity rate.
The yellow gradient looks perfect though.
Sustainable fabric innovation incorporates recycled materials without compromising comfort or durability. When darkness falls, the sewing machines, printing carousels, and packaging lines maintain their relentless pace.
Night operators maintain identical production quality.
Millions of wearable art pieces march through darkness.
Inside these machines, blank cotton becomes branded fashion. Production-grade cleanliness maintained continuously. An endless river of wearable expression flows through the night. The complete transformation from cotton fiber to finished fashion. Precision logistics. One t-shirt, born from cotton, dye, thread, and ink. This facility produces the most universally worn garment on Earth. A factory's purpose: enabling self-expression through the most democratic garment ever created.
T-shirts are the ultimate canvas for personal expression, cultural identity, and brand affiliation. The plain white t-shirt is perhaps the single most important garment in modern fashion. The factory breathes in raw cotton,
and breathes out cultural expression.
From above, a factory producing hundreds of thousands of garments daily. Fresh color on fresh cotton.
Every machine knitting, dyeing, cutting, sewing, printing, packaging. Performance fabrics serve the athletic market with technical moisture management.
From basic cotton to premium Pima to technical performance, serving every need. The complete journey from raw cotton to finished wearable in one frame.
And C's. Band merchandise t-shirts are among the most emotionally valued garments consumers own.
Vintage washing creates the instant softness and character of a well-loved t-shirt.
Water-based inks provide a softer hand feel and environmentally friendlier alternative to plastisol.
Environmental responsibility in every aspect of production.
Organic certification requires complete process separation to prevent contamination.
Skilled hands arriving for another day of garment creation.
Color transformation.
The full spectrum of human color preference served by a single garment type. Event t-shirts create instant community identity and lasting mementos.
Embroidery adds tactile premium branding. Digital printing enables true on-demand, single-unit personalized production.
The tensile strength is holding steady at 95% of virgin fiber.
Yes, the weave structure appears completely sound here at the seam.
T-shirts become emotional artifacts, carrying memories of concerts, travels, and milestones.
The mechanical ballet of multicolor screen printing.
The transformation from white to every color imaginable. The eternal cycle of cotton becoming self-expression. $200,000 t-shirts, every seam verified, every print cured. Sunset on 30,000 square meters of garment creation. One t-shirt. Cotton, dye, thread, and ink. The most universal garment in human history.
The teeth of earth. Cotton from the earth, color from chemistry, and graphics from imagination. Behind it,